The English verb say is a versatile little word that packs a big punch. To pack a big punch means that it has a lot to offer. It has a variety of meanings and uses, and is a staple in any English speaker's vocabulary. In about 2 minutes' time, you will be able to make perfect use of the verb say in your own English. So stay until the end. But where did this word come from, and just how many different meanings and conjugations does it have? Let's dive in and find out. The origin of say can be traced back to the Old English word segen, which means to speak or utter words. From there, it evolved into the Middle English scene, and finally into the modern English say. It's a simple word with a simple origin, but don't be fooled by its simplicity. Say is a word that can be used in a wide variety of contexts. Before we continue, how about giving us a hand? Subscribe, give a like, then hit that notification button. It sure does help a lot. Just wanted to say that. One of the most basic uses of say is to indicate that someone is speaking or verbalizing something. For example, she said, "I'm going to the store," or, he said that he was feeling sick. In this context, say is being used as a transitive verb, taking a direct object. Another common use of say is to indicate that something is written or recorded in a particular way. The sign says "no trespassing." In this context, say is being used as an intransitive verb, and does not take a direct object. However, say also has some idiomatic uses. One such example is the phrase, "to say the least," which means to make a minor or less strong comment than the situation warrants. It's often used to indicate that you are understating the situation. For example, "the view from the top of the mountain was beautiful, to say the least." Say also collocates with some words, which means they often occur together in the language. Say and something often appear together, as in "can you say something in French?" Say and sorry also collocate frequently, as in "I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say that." Or, "he said sorry for the delay." The conjugations look like this. In the present tense you add the letter s to the third person singular, as in "she says goodbye." The past simple and participle form is said. "They said many interesting things yesterday, and I have said this to her all her life." In conclusion, the verb say may seem like a simple, straightforward word on the surface, but it's actually quite a versatile and multifaceted verb with a wide range of meanings and uses. It can indicate that someone is speaking or writing. It can be used to indicate that something is recorded in a particular way, and it can also be used in idiomatic expressions. It also collocates with some words quite frequently. So the next time you find yourself saying something, remember that this little word has a rich history and many uses. And if anyone says otherwise, you know they're just trying to pull the wool over your eyes. If this video provided you with some value, do consider helping us. Subscribe, comment, give a like, then push that notification button. It really makes a big difference. See you in the next one.